Patrymau Iaith Diwrnod 6. Ardal Caernarfon. Mynediad. Day 6 Language Patterns. Your day in the area around Caernarfon uses Units 16 to 21 of the Mynediad course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from the units. Rhif 1. Commands. In Welsh, when giving someone a command to instruct them to do something, there is a special ending needed. To make a verb a command, you need to add the ending uch or a. Aros. Arhoswch. Arhosa. This works for most words. However, if the verb you are turning into a command ends with a vowel, you drop the final vowel of the word before adding the ending. Codi. Codwch. Coda. Ymlacio. Ymlaciwch. Ymlacia. And the final one is verbs ending with ed or egg. The ending ed or egg is dropped. Use this little phrase to help you remember it. Eds will roll and eggs will smash. Cerdded. Cerddwch. Cerdda. Rhedeg. Rhedwch. Rhedda. These verb stems will come up in future courses in short form patterns. Rhif 2. Irregular commands. As ever, the most well-used commands are irregular. Mynd, to go. Ewch, go. Dos, go. Dod, to come. Dewch, come. Tyrd, come. Gwneud, to do. Gwnewch, do, make. Gwna, do, make. Rhif 3. Don't. If the command is not to do something, then you use peidiwch a or paid a, followed by a verb with an aspirate mutation. Peidiwch a mynd. Paid a mynd. Don't go. Peidiwch a thalu. Paid a thalu. Don't pay. Peidiwch a chodi. Paid a chodi. Don't get up. Peidiwch a phoeni. Paid a phoeni. Don't worry. A becomes ag before a vowel. Peidiwch ag aros. Paid ag aros. Don't wait. Peidiwch ag ofni. Paid ag ofni. Don't be scared. Rhif 4. Syn. The term syn has two uses. It's used to convey who is or which is, linking two clauses in a sentence. For example, Dwi'n mynd I Gastell Conwy. Mae o'n gastell mawr. Dwi'n mynd I Gastell Conwy, sy'n gastell mawr. Important revision. Pwy, beth, faint uses ydy before a definite noun. Pwy ydy'r athro? It is used in questions after pwy, be, and faint, and before an indefinite noun, verb, adjective, or preposition. Pwy sy'n mynd? Be sy'n mynd? Faint sy'n mynd? Important, sy'n is only used in the present tense. Rhif 5. Treiglad llais. Aspirate mutation. The final mutation is the aspirate mutation, and it only affects 3 letters: t, k, and p. T, th, k, ch, p, f. You use the aspirate mutation in the following ways. After a, meaning and. Te a choffi, tea and coffee. Coffee a the, coffee and tea. After a. Paid a phoeni, don't worry. And finally, for your information, something that hasn't been covered yet. After a, when it means her something. Ei chath hi, her cat. Rhif 6. Rheolau treiglo. When do I have to mutate? Here's a recap of which letters mutate. A few mutation rules to try to be aware of. Soft mutation. After the patterns gwneud, mynd, and dod in the past tense, unless blocked by dim. After the prepositions o, I, am, ar, at. Adjectives after un. Feminine nouns after the definite article. Adjectives after feminine nouns. After de, when it means you're something. After a, when it means his something. Nasal mutation. After the, when it means my something. After un, when it means in a place. Aspirate mutation. After a, when it means her something. After a, ag. Don't worry too much about this at the moment if you're finding it confusing. You can still be understood even if your mutations are not always correct.